Hey, what is going on YouTube? Cinnabon here, and in this video, I'm giving you guys an update on my hydroponic tomatoes. In the last video, I showed you guys a brief overview of the setup and how everything works. And in this video, I wanted to update you guys on how the tomatoes have been growing and any issues that I've had. The video that you're seeing on screen was taken roughly 3 weeks after my first video. Over that 3-week period, the tomatoes have been growing super well. They've grown at least by a foot or a foot and a half. I've been continuing the solution of nutrients that I mentioned in the first video, which is calcium nitrate, master blend, and Epsom salts. You can find out how many nutrients you need to add to the water based on the directions on the bag. They recommend in 5-gallon intervals, so for my setup, I use a 15-gallon tote. So therefore, I just triple everything. So far, the system has been working really well, and I haven't really had any problems yet. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and I will keep you updated. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.